The Figma tricks you should know earlier.
On portfolio sites, GIF file is the best way to showcase how your UIs work. Now we are going to make a prototype become a GIF file. If you are curious about how to make a prototype on Figma, please watch the last video. Now play the prototype. Click Share Prototype. Click Copy Link. Open Google Chrome and paste the link on a new tab. Test the prototype work or not. Now, go to another tab. Type in gifcap.dev. Click the Start Recording button. Select Chrome tab, and then select the Figma tab. And click Share. It will bring you to the Figma tab and start recording. Let's click the menu icon, and then click the scrim. After we finish recording, go back to the GIFcap page, and then click Stop Recording. Let's trim out the unnecessary footage. Now, let's do a final check. We are going to remove the black background by selecting the area you need. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can select it again. Click Render. And then your GIF file is ready to download. If you like the content, please subscribe to get daily Figma tricks.